Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be going over my most worn handbags of 2022. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the bags. So I have 4 bags to show you today that I feel like have been my most used bags throughout the year of 2022. I'm gonna go from like 4 to 1. I'm gonna go from like the least worn to the most worn. My last slot, and the reason why this is in the last is because it's brand new. It's my Coach Tabby pillow bag in the 26 size. I really like this bag. I got it maybe 2-3 weeks ago. I haven't had it for long at all, but I have been using this every single day. It is my everyday bag right now. I am genuinely obsessed with this bag. It's so squishy and I just love it. I love the inside. I love how much it fits. I did do a full unboxing video of this bag, so if you haven't seen it, I will have it linked in the eye up here and in the description for you if you want to go watch it. I got a stain on it. I got it off. I have really just been loving this bag. So practical for every day to sling on your shoulder or to put the crossbody strap on and wear it as a crossbody. It's been out in the rain. I think I got a little bit of food on it that I had to get off just now. It's fine. The leather is so durable for the short amount of time that I've had it, but I will do like a full review whenever I've had it for like a longer period of time. When I first got this bag, I was like, oh, it's cute. It's a cute little Coach bag, fine, whatever. But no, like I have really just grown to be obsessed with this bag, and I got this on sale from Zappos for like 200 bucks off because the 26 size is normally like 550 and I got this for 350 or something like that. So yeah, definitely a lot cheaper on Zappos. They might still be doing the sale. They could be sold out at this point. I have no idea. My third most worn bag is going to be my black Chanel Classic Flap. I just want to like reminisce about this year because I got so many bags this year that I never thought in my wildest imaginations that I'd be able to get. And this is one of them. I remember how much I wanted this bag. I still love this bag. It is one of my most prized possessions. I love it to literal pieces. I am obsessed with this bag. I don't wear her as much as I would like to because, you know, I don't live in New York. I don't live in like a big city. I live close to a big city. I don't really wear this as much as I would like to unless I like go into Nashville. I got her back in like March or something. She is my favorite bag that I own still. It's actually tied between this and my Lady Dior. I love them both equally. And I put this one, of course, above this one because I have technically worn this one more than this one. I wore this one every day when I first got it, which probably wasn't the smartest thing to do because this bag is very expensive. And I kind of live kind of like in a smaller city, so but I didn't care. I wore it everywhere. I wore this every day in New York except for like maybe one day. She's still in such good condition. It's insane. She is like a 96. I believe, so she is pretty old. I keep her in really good condition because I am never ever going to sell this bag, but I still want it to be in good conditions, you know? The only reason that I don't wear this like every single day is number 1, I don't live in Nashville, and number 2, can't fit a lot in here. I don't really carry a lot anyways, but I can't fit shit in here because like it's just one big open pocket like this. I might be able to fit more now that I'm not really using my Louis Vuitton key holder anymore. I might actually put that up for sale, but yeah, I don't use these two right here because the person before me didn't use it, so I don't want to stretch it out. Anyways, yeah, I love this bag. One of my favorites of all time, and I'm just obsessed with her. My second most worn bag is probably gonna be no surprise. I feel like I have like a million bajillion pictures in this bag, but it is my Jacquemus. This is the chiquito bag. It doesn't fit anything, but it's just so freaking cute and it's so stylish and I just love it to literal pieces. It's a cute little top handle like this, or you can use the crossbody strap. It goes with everything. I'm so glad I got the ivory color instead of the like stark white. I love this ivory color. It literally, again, it goes with everything. If I'm wearing something that is black, goes with this. If I'm wearing something that is white, goes with this. If I'm wearing something that is brown, goes with this. This goes with this. And I just feel like white would have been too jarring for some outfits. This ivory color is literally the best option in my opinion if you're wanting something that's still light, like a light colored bag, but if you don't want it to be like stark white, then I would highly recommend this ivory color. I believe it came out in one of their most recent collections, like the Les Splash collection. Maybe I'm just wrong. It has a crossbody strap. I'm not gonna put it all on right now. I do have full unboxings and reviews of all these bags, except for the Coach one because I just got it. I only have the unboxing, but the rest of the bags I have full on reviews. I'll have them all linked in the description for you so you can watch at your leisure. And in all those videos, I go over what fits in the bags as well. But yeah, I wear this with everything. I haven't worn it as much as of right now, winter now, so I kind of look at this and think of it more as like a summertime bag. You're not carrying too much, but like now we're into winter, so it's like you might end up carrying more just depending on where you are. I don't know. I do think that she could be used as a more like fall time bag just because of her color again, but maybe not a full-on winter bag, but it doesn't really matter. You do what you want to do, and if you have this bag and if you want to wear it for winter, great, by all means wear it for winter. You know, the only thing that's annoying is that she doesn't fit anything. She fits like a few cards, keys if I'm lucky. Sometimes I have to take the keys off of my keyring in order to get them in here. The bag's own strap doesn't fit in here that great. She's very small and she's really stiff as well. So even if you put something in here that's technically the same size, like same width, but if you put it in here, it's gonna jut out the sides because it's not malleable in any way. Yeah, it can get kind of annoying just depending on who you are. If you like to carry more things, then I would totally recommend not getting this bag or getting like a bigger version, like the Moyen one, that's like the medium. And then of course there is the Le Chiquito Grande, I think, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I love this bag. I have worn her so much and she still looks amazing. She has no imperfections. She has no damage done to her. The only thing that I can still see is the first day that I got this bag. I got lipstick on the thread, like on the stitching on here, and I can still see it. And you guys, my #1 most worn bag of 2022. Pause this video, leave a comment down below if you know the bags that I have, and if you like follow me on Instagram or whatever, follow me on Instagram. But still, let me know in the comments what you think my #1 bag is. If you did that, welcome back. If not, then I'll just show you. My Mulberry Mini Alexa. This has been my #1 most worn bag of 2022 by a long shot. I absolutely adore this bag. I am obsessed with it. I love it so much. It goes with every single season. It's so cute. I love the design. I just love the way it looks. You can wear her, of course, as a top handle, as a crossbody bag, as a shoulder bag with the strap on it. It is just the cutest freaking thing I've ever seen. And she fits so much. It's actually insane. I do have a insert for her because she is very malleable. So things do tend to fall over in the bag if I don't have the insert, but then again, things still kind of fall over. So that's why she fits so much. You kind of have to not stuff the bag, but you have to put a lot in here for everything to kind of stay in place. So she really holds a lot of stuff. And she is not like a super big bag. Like I know she's considered a mini bag. I would not consider her to be a mini bag. I think for me personally, I think she's more of like a medium-sized bag, but I know a lot of people's definition of mini is different. This technically, I guess, is a mini bag. It's the Mulberry Mini Alexa. I don't know. I think she's more of a medium size. She fits things like a medium size. I know big bags are kind of coming back in right now, but like she's not too big. I'm gonna stay with my mini or like smaller bags for a little bit longer because I love them. This bag is literally a champ. She's been rained on. I've had her for a pretty long time. She's been snowed on. She's been kind of like tossed around in my car. I've gotten food on her before. She just kind of wipes clean. I haven't gotten anything inside the little grains on the back or anything like that. No issue with color transfer at all. I mean, she is a pretty dark color, so the color transfer probably wouldn't happen anyways, but I have worn her with literally everything. This bag you can, I believe, dress up and dress down. I think this color is more of a casual vibe. If you have like the black one or the white one, you might be able to, you know, dress it up and wear it to more formal events, but this one I do believe is kind of giving me boho, kind of like free spirit with this color, and it's a lot more casual, and I love that about it. Really great value for your money. Like, this bag right here is my most expensive bag, and I think a lot of people, it's very polarizing for the Chanel, and it's kind of like personal preference because the Chanel is so expensive, and this one's also lambskin, so it's pretty delicate as well. I've never had any issue with like it getting scratched or anything like that because I'm pretty careful with it. But like this bag, I don't have to be careful with it. I can just kind of like fling it. I wouldn't, but I can just kind of fling it over here, throw it around in my car or something, drop it in a puddle, I guess, and it's gonna be fine. This bag, if I did that, I would just pass away. This bag you can kind of put through the ringer because it's so sturdy, and I think this is genuinely a perfect everyday bag, and I love it, and that's why she's my most used bag. She goes with pretty much everything that I wear. And you guys, that has been my list of my most worn bags for the year of 2022. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this list. Let me know in the comments what you think of these bags that I showed as well. And let me know if you have any most worn bags. Just leave me a comment telling me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!